Okay, you guys. So I got the Viral Wavy Talk blow dryer. It comes with a diffuser piece, which I'm going to use on my hair here in a second. One second. Comes with a comb piece, and what's this called? That's a concentrator. Anyways, so this is the actual blow dryer. Looks like that. It's got some different fan settings and heat settings, as well as a cool button. So I'm going to plug it up and attach this and do my hair. Okay, so I don't know what is going on up here, honestly. So we're just gonna pull that back, but this is what it looks like after the fact. So and I just put some curl cream and loosen it before I blow dried it and scrunched a little bit. So okay, I combed my fingers through it. So I look like I just jumped out the 80s or whatever. But yeah. Definitely needed this because my last one broke. Plugged it up. It blew. Even blew the lights.